I was very unhappy with my smile, and I was for years and years and years. And I finally saw First Choice Dental online, and we're actually going on vacation this weekend. First vacation we've had in years because of my new teeth. So I used to didn't want to go nowhere. I just wanted to stay around the house. My friends and family, they were blown away. I mean, how real it looks. I mean, it looks like a real smile. People at my work still are amazed by it. The thing I'm most excited about eating is tacos. I'm gonna get about 50 tacos and chow down. I've been craving one so bad. So 1 to 10, I would rate my Restoring 24 100. Everything's straightforward. They have it laid out, tell you what's gonna happen, and it happens with how they tell you. I mean, everything's spot on. Like I say, everybody here is like family. They're real good folks.